Hey everybody, Stu here, inviting you to celebrate the holidays with the annual Ukulele Jam Party. I've created a free PDF songbook that you can download at a link down below or by clicking this card right here. In the Holiday Ukulele Jam Party, we're going to be having a great time singing songs from Christmas, Hanukkah traditions. I'll be teaching you as well. We're going to learn the Bo Diddley beat. I'll be performing some solos and also giving away some giveaway prizes that you don't have to even attend live to win. We'll be going live on the solstice, Saturday, December 21st at 12 noon, New York City time. You can watch anytime as a replay. I'm really looking forward to getting together with you on this online event. I'm so grateful for you all. Thank you for being part of the global ukulele playing community. It is truly an honor and a joy to be just another friendly guide along your music path. I wish you and your families a wonderful holiday, many blessings, good health, and I look forward to seeing you at the jam session. Click the links down below, and I'll see you there.